RCM, popularly known for its nationwide impact through its objective to build a new India which majorly focuses on working towards solutions to the varied common problems, which is elaborated in this life song. The idea of a happy, long life and society full of life values is visible in this life song. Lakhs of people across the country are serving in this campaign by becoming active participants. Among the many objectives of this campaign, three main objectives are health protection, self-reliance, and women empowerment. Before knowing about healthcare, let us see what are the main reasons that have adverse effects on health. The first is the prevalence of harmful products through popular advertising and the market system. To earn profits, companies spend huge amounts of money on advertising and introducing products that are unhealthy. A lot of product lines like cold drinks, junk food, packed food, gutka etc. have been included in our lives which are destroying our health. We have fallen prone to these heavy marketing gimmicks that have led to our family consuming non-edible items. Second is the commercialization of medical services. The medical industry has today become a business, where humans are being treated like commodities. Unnecessary medicines, surgeries, and medical tests are the new normal and humans are bearing all these helplessly. Many families are destroyed by the side effects of unwanted medicines which cause life-threatening diseases. Thirdly, lack of awareness about lifestyle is also a major cause of diseases. RCM has taken healthcare as its main objective and has taken many steps to avoid the mentioned problems. The first step is to create healthy products. RCM includes products in its range that serve and contribute to our well-being and are better for our health. RCM conducts extensive studies on this topic and harmful products are not included in RCM's product range. Today RCM has a wide range of health products like HealthGuard Rice Bran Oil, Gamma Original, NutriCharge range, Trikara Aloe Vera Juice, Trikara Punch Tulsi Drop, Swecha Honey, Sanjeevani Prash Amla, Swecha Kahwa, Harit Sanjeevani etc. The second step is to pay special attention to quality and health parameters. Along with the selection of all the healthy products, special attention is given to the purity and health-related parameters of the products, in the range of namkeen, biscuits, khakra etc., made in rice bran oil. Additionally, all the food products have pure ingredients and nutritional value. The third step is to buy products to boost immunity and supplement offering the necessary nutrients. Since low immunity and lack of nutrients increase the chances of developing diseases, keeping the same in mind, RCM has made available a wide range of various supplements of NutriCharge, which are prepared based on proven scientific facts. The fourth step is menstrual hygiene solutions. Due to the lack of awareness, women and adolescent girls are facing many problems related to this. To solve the same, RCM has released products like high-quality cotton layer sanitary pads and special quality intimate wash, and the initiative of educating the girls has also been carried out effectively. Hygiene camps are organized at various places along with education on this subject. The fifth step is to promote poison-free farming. The increasing use of chemicals in farming is hurting health. To promote poison-free farming, the Harit Sanjeevani product range has been released which stands as a helpful source. The sixth step is to get rid of non-vegetarian food by making good. Veg Bites vegetarian meat which provides meat-like texture and meat-like taste, proving to be of assistance to get rid of non-vegetarian food. The seventh step is Sehat Sathi, in which personalized advice is provided to stay healthy through the right lifestyle and eating habits. Our second important objective is self-reliance. Today in our country, a bigger problem than the problem of unemployment is that people do not have adequate sources of income. RCM, working towards this initiative, has widely presented the opportunity of additional income for the people. There is neither any investment involved nor any risk. One may work at their convenience of time and place on the opportunities to connect and work from all over the country from the comfort of their homes. This builds an excellent ground for the future generation. Today there are hundreds of families in RCM whose second generation can take advantage of this opportunity. Today the campaign is spread across every state in the country and has reached every village, with a wide range of over 400 daily use products including food products, home care, personal care, food supplements, textiles, footwear, accessories, stationery, agricultural products, etc. The main characteristics of RCM products are that they are essential, meet high quality standards, are healthy, and are reasonably priced. To maintain these characteristics of the products and ensure their availability, RCM has multiple production units established in Bhilwara, Uttarakhand and Guwahati. To widen the availability of these products, a wide distribution system has been established, more than 160 depots, more than 10,000 distribution centers, and 150,000 display walls are operational across the country, along with home delivery facilities in every corner of the country. The central office is in RCM World Bhilwara. All associates and partners may visit us there. Another major objective of RCM is women's empowerment. In support of it, RCM has already achieved a remarkable output through its dedicated work in each campaign relating to it. RCM believes in every woman and helps them utilize their talent, creating their own identity, living a better life and achieving self-respect. RCM empowers every woman to become a source of additional income for her family and provides unconditional help in protecting her health. For this, a special product series in the interest of every woman has been released in RCM, and many activities like special training programs, motivational programs, felicitation ceremonies, and trips to different places are organized for them. Today, lakhs of women can make their mark, and we are beyond happy as we witness them living the life they deserve. Apart from working on these objectives, RCM Institute and RCM Sevaks together conduct several social activities like Blood Helpline, Tree Growth Campaign, Sehat Sathi, and various social service works. To enhance the values of life and to implement the value-based methodology of RCM, RCM Gurukul conducts daily workshops in which anyone can participate. The honorable founder and an inspiration for many, Shri T.C. Chhabra, has articulated a few words regarding the same. Dear friends, RCM's objective is to make the lives of people beautiful and rich. RCM wants to lay its strong and permanent foundation, hence all its preparations are based on practical, true and far-reaching results rather than imaginary miracles and temporary temptations. Hard work, dedication and cooperation are essential parts of the development of life. RCM is a campaign based on these facts. Its objective is to build a value-based India. Let us learn from this campaign with our efforts in kindness and build a new India by taking part in this great journey. Dr. Kiran Bedi has called RCM a miracle and an important activity for the development of the country. We do not need any donation or contribution to this national interest campaign. We want you and your acquaintances to join this campaign so that we can get your support in building a new India. Thank you.